Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with Part 8, Step 10 of Revell's 69 Charger, the tire and wheel assembly. And for this, we're going to need this parts tree that has the 4 inner wheels in it. Need this parts tree with the 4 wheel retainers in it. We are going to need the chrome tree with the 2 front disc brakes and 4 wheels. And we are going to need the 4 tires. Because I am doing this as a little bit of a custom, I'm actually going to be using these 4 wheels out of the 68 Charger, and I'm going to be using these wheels out of my parts box. And you can see that they're just a little bit bigger than stock wheels. So I'm going to get these all cleaned up and painted, and I'll be right back. So as far as assembling the wheels themselves, there's really one thing that needs to be pointed out, and that's this raised ring right here needs to fit in this groove on the disc. If you look, there's only one side that has the groove, so you want to make sure that that is facing the wheel, just like that. Alright, so we've got our wheels all assembled and ready to go on. We got the rears painted silver with black inside and the middle of the back for the drums, and the fronts with just a little bit of black for the caliper and the discs installed. And we've got the body all prepped with the axle nubs cleaned off, so I'm going to put a little bit of glue right on these. And I'm using liquid glue because we want a strong bond, but we also want a little bit of flexibility. So just line these up, pop them on, and generally everything fits together nicely on these. You will have a little bit of wiggle room, we'll get to that in a second, but do the same all 4 corners here. Dope it up nicely, line up your wheel, pop that on, and want to make sure that I've got it rotated so that the caliper is lined up with the caliper on the back side. So that's basically all you're going to do. I'm going to get the other 2 wheels on, and then I'm going to show you how I get them all lined up. And for the final step of getting the wheels on, we want to make sure that they're square to each other and the ground. So I've got a mirror tile here, so that ensures a nice flat surface. And I've got these blocks at all 4 corners that are spaced so that they're holding the wheels as totally vertical as they can. It does take a fair amount of fiddling to get everything so that they look nice and straight, but that's why you want to use the liquid glue so you've got some work time. So that's it for wheel assembly. I'm going to give this plenty of time to harden up, make sure that everything is nice and tight before I move on to the final steps. And at that point, we will be on the home stretch of this build. So check back then, and thanks for watching.